The video you're seeing right now and all the sales copy and all the ads were generated by an AI agent, not just a video generation tool, not just an image generation tool. One super agent that built this entire video campaign from the ground up. It's called Higgsfield Supercomputer. It just launched, and it's the first AI agent that I have found that orchestrates different models like Claude, Grok, and GPT to create perfect content every single time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can get set up with it. So let's get into it. To get started, you want to use the link down below to sign up for Higgsfield Supercomputer. Full disclosure, they are sponsoring this video, but I'll give you my honest take on what I think of this. What most intrigues me about Supercomputer is that this is a self-learning AI agent for creators that actually gets better the more that you use it. You can teach it different skills, plug in your existing stack like Gmail, WhatsApp, YouTube, and GitHub, and then combine all of that together into a tool that will do the research, create the products, and then ship it. Here inside of Supercomputer, you'll find the prompt box right in the middle. This is where you can ask it to create or do anything for you. And you'll notice a few interesting things here. First is the orchestrator. This is a tool that is going to choose which tasks to send to which models. So every prompt you put in here will be broken down into smaller tasks. And then the orchestrator will figure out which model is the best one for each of those little tasks. So it's going to use the best of all these different models. You'll also see right here some suggested use cases for Supercomputer. One example is a personal clipper. This would be really helpful for a YouTuber like me. I can upload one long video and it will clip out 5 vertical clips from the most engaging moments. This can also produce UGC content, so you can have digital avatars reviewing your product, or you can have Supercomputer create product photos for your marketplace listings, create cinematic videos, or even animated cartoons. But those are only the suggested use cases. You can ask this to create anything for you. So let's say you run a print-on-demand business and you have these sweatshirts that you want to sell. You can give images of them to Higgsfield Supercomputer and have it create a product ad for you. So let's do that. I'll click on the plus icon and upload those images. I'll then tell it I wanted to create a high-energy video advertisement for this sweatshirt that I'm selling. And let's send that along. Higgsfield Supercomputer is asking for some feedback from us before it proceeds with the generation. So it's asking me what product model I would like featured in the ad. I'll say I want both the male and female model. And do I have a specific setting or theme in mind? And I'll tell it to just run on autopilot and to surprise me. So here's its first take on the video campaign for this sweatshirt. And overall, I think this looks pretty good. There are a few little things I definitely don't like those little clouds bursting out of her hair and off her sweatshirt. So I will ask Supercomputer to remove those. And I can easily do that here in the prompt box. So I'll just tell it, remove those animations that show the orange and blue misty clouds and trails. Also get rid of the drawstrings, as this sweatshirt doesn't have drawstrings. So I've also noticed that up here for the other videos that it generated, it also shows drawstrings. So that's why I'm telling it just generically get rid of all of those. So I'll send that along and have it make those updates. And look at what we got now. A new video without all those colorful animations. It looks super clean, super nice. Still high energy, still some cool animations, no drawstrings. This looks awesome. And here's the second one that it made for us with the guy. He's jumping on the table. He's wearing the sweatshirt. It looks so clean and so good. Another cool thing about Higgsfield Supercomputer are connectors. You can add Instagram, Threads, Telegram, Gmail, LinkedIn, and automatically publish to your accounts directly from Supercomputer, which means that using this one tool, you can go from idea to creation to distribution. Returning back to our project, watch what happens now when I ask Higgsfield Supercomputer to build out this campaign further. I'll tell it to build out the entire campaign for me, in fact. All the sales copy, all the images, everything I need to run on social media. And look what we got now. So we not only have the videos that were produced before, But in addition to that, we now have new images, and these look great. So it added text on the screen, it added text in the top corner here, some more over here. We still have the videos, and inside of here, we have the sales copy that we needed. So it's really awesome that it was not only able to generate all of these assets, but everything is consistent. Throughout all these images and all these videos, it looks like the same product. That way, when we're starting and running a campaign, everything can be completely on brand and perfect. Here's another example. I gave it a link to one of my long form YouTube videos and told it to find the best moments in this video and to clip them out for YouTube Shorts. It then went through the entire video frame by frame, analyzing both the transcript and the images in the video, and found from that 10 different clips. All of these are key entertaining moments that will really grab people's attention. So I can just download these, throw these into YouTube Shorts, and just like that, it clipped out for me the best moments from my video with no work on my part. Here's another fun example. I asked it to create a multi-scene cinematic movie for me about two old men who find a washed up orb on the beach that suddenly gives them a lot of health, energy, and vitality. What's great about this process is that it collaborates with you to make sure you get a final output that you love. So it asked me a few questions, then it built out each of the characters, and it gave me a few different options. I chose the options that I liked. I chose the orb that I liked because it gave me 3 different options for that. And then it even gave me different scenes and different locations where the video could take place. And finally, it created this video for me. So that's Higgsfield Supercomputer, the first AI agent designed to take you from an idea to generated assets and then distribution, all from within one tool. Again, I'll have a link for it down below for you to check it out. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.